Hi guys and welcome. If you running your own eBay store, if you have your own e-commerce business on eBay, probably you know that it takes a lot of time, efforts, and money to find the correct item to sell, the correct niche to sell, and definitely you need to use external tools, market research tools that will help you to improve your e-commerce store literally really fast, because your sales depends on the correct items and products. And I found the perfect tool, most powerful tool that I've ever seen. This is a market research tool for eBay store, and using this tool you can really dominate in your niche, you can dominate in your e-commerce store. And I want to show you this tool. I want to show you what's inside. I want to discuss it with you, so feel free to check all the useful links in the description panel, and feel free to write down your comments on this video. So how does this work? Really, definitely, if you have e-commerce store on eBay, you spending a lot of time to analyze what to sell. Remove the guesswork from your product research. Your product research can be automated. Your product research can be much faster than you making it right now. And how it works, you need to understand the profitability of the niche. First of all, uncover hot products, set the right prices, and build titles that attract buyers. So see if a product or niche has demand and is likely to be profitable before listing items, because if you listed items already and they're not, nobody's buying it, you're just wasting your time. So you can check demand, supply, and competition statistics to discover the hottest products to sell using this ZIK Analytics tool. Make as much profit as possible while maximizing your sales by examining price analytics data and understand what buyers are searching for and bring them to a listing using keyword data. It's also really important in the e-commerce to be visible to the people who are searching for some products and some items that you are selling. So let's compare. Fastest, easier, and more profitable with ZIK Analytics for sure than a manual research, because your workflow with a user-friendly interface in one place will be much better. Speed, you will get automated tools to help you to find hot products in minutes. You can grow your store fast with 100 million products from 20 suppliers that collected in the ZIK Analytics platform. Profitability, uncover low competition, high demand, and high profit products using ZIK Analytics. And products are backed by sales data, so they're likely to sell. You can find all those products really fast and with a less efforts, because it will be automated totally. And this is a really great and like perfect tool. So if you do have eBay store, definitely it's for you. If you're just planning to start eBay store, don't start it. Just don't sell before you'll try to use ZIK Analytics tool, because this is absolutely fantastic. All the useful links, I want to remind you, are under this video, and you can easily get those links. So the products are eBay Market Research, AliExpress Market Research, ZIK Pro Tools, eBay Title Builder, Dropshipping Course, and eBay Fee Calculator. If you're just starting, this solution is for you. If you are a dropshipper, this is for you. Or if you sell your own stock, also there's solutions for you, and you can try it by yourself, just pressing on the link on this video. I want to show you how it looks from inside, so let's jump in. Okay, this is a dashboard, and I created specially to show you how it looks from a blank. I created a new account, and this is the dashboard. You will get your store. If you will connect your store, you'll get all the analytics here. And what do we have? Dashboard, product research, competitor research, category research, title builder, ZIK Pro, my competitors, my products, and tutorials and training if you are just newbie and you're just starting. Plenty of information, just totally a lot of tutorials and training that will help you to start, that will help you to understand how can you start really fast. And also there's 500 best-selling eBay items. This is just literally insane. Just pressing on it and the system will give you advices about the 500 best-selling eBay items. You can just grab it and sell it. Look at that, 500 best sellers, 500 best sellers. So you just need to look at that and you need to add it to your store, and that's it. That's pretty it, and you can start easily and without an extra efforts. So this is absolutely comprehensive tool to start your own business online. There's Ali Growth Scanner, and this is also really cool if you're a dropshipper or you just want to start your own dropshipping online store on eBay. This will be just a treasure for you, because you can find all the items that will be best sellers, trending, the items that are growing in demand and growing in sales. You can just sort them. You can use this tool to find really the best selling products and items for your online store. This is huge. This is big. Amazon Turbo Scanner, yeah, and like everything that you need to start your own business on eBay, to analyze all the market in one place. It is ZIK Pro. It is ZIK Analytics tool. So all the useful links, guys, are under this video in the description panel. Make sure to check it out, because this is huge and it will save you a lot of time, efforts, and money if you're trying to build your own business, or you're running a business already and you're not happy with your results. This is absolutely great. This is absolutely huge. Make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed and hope this was useful. Guys, see you in the next video. Bye.